Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about a brand new way you can use your Instagram stories to support small businesses, local businesses that you like. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. So basically, Instagram has introduced a new sticker in Instagram stories that you can use to support any small business that you like. And in addition to small businesses, you can also support other entrepreneurs, personal brands, coaches, consultants, anyone that you want to support. So let me show you how to access that. So if you go to, so I'm gonna just take my own picture. It's a pretty bad picture, but anyways, we're gonna go to the stickers right here. And first I want to show you what that sticker look like. So it's called Support Small Business. So this is the brand new sticker that Instagram has recently introduced. As a user, you can support your favorite local or small businesses, and as a business, it can help you get more audience so you can grow your reach, your engagement, and also your brand on Instagram. So let's do a quick demo. What I want to do is, let me close from this, and I'm gonna log into one of my other accounts, iSocialYou. This is my test account on Instagram for my agency brand. So let's create a story on this account, and I'm gonna tag myself. So I'm supporting myself from my brand account, and I'm gonna support my personal account. But when you create stories, you can support any local business. Now, how do you do this? Obviously, I'm gonna go to stories. So let's go to the stories camera. So you can create a brand new story, or you can upload something that's in your camera roll. So I'm gonna upload this video right here. There you go. So that's my video. And one thing I'll tell you here, when you're supporting small businesses, any local, maybe a coffee shop, maybe a grocery store, maybe a restaurant, maybe a gym, if you have a piece of content that's from them, or maybe you went to the gym and you have a piece of content that you shot at the gym, I would say use that, because it's gonna be super powerful. All right, so this is a piece of content I'm using, and let's go to the sticker icon. And now I'm gonna click on support small, and basically all you have to do is mention or just select their Instagram handle. So whatever your small business that you want to support, just write down their Instagram handle right here. So share your favorite small business with friends. That's exactly what I'm doing. So in this case, I am gonna put my own name. All right, so check this out. So as I'm starting to type, that's me right here. So I'm gonna select that. And now here's something really cool. Look at this. So it kind of pulls in highlights. I don't know how this sticker selects those pieces of content, but that's very cool. All right, now, and then all you have to do is add it to your Instagram story. So once you do that, I'm gonna go back to my main account, my personal account, and show you how you will see this. So first of all, I am gonna get a notification. So look at this. So I got a notification saying I was mentioned in a story, which is right here. And another cool thing is, if I go back to the iSocialYou account and let's go to their stories, look right here. So it's a common support small business. So that's gonna be a shared story. And look at this, there are other people who are supporting, and that's the one that I used. So it's really powerful because there will be a shared story and a lot of people can contribute. And I don't know how Instagram will curate content into that stories, but that can bring you a lot of exposure if you are a small business. So if you step back as a user, you can use the support small business sticker to support the local and small businesses and then expose them to your audience. But then as a business, it's also very powerful because you can actually reach out to your engaged. So make a list of your top fans or top customers and actually reach out to them via DM, send them an audio message or a video message, that's my preference, and actually tell them about this and let them know that, hey, this is a way they can help your business, this is a way they can support your business during the times of crisis, and have them use the Instagram stories and use the sticker to mention you, because you will be able to reach more audience, create more engagement, and also grow your brand on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to how to use the support small business sticker on Instagram stories, leave those questions in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.